there are some tips you can do to ensure that your chiller stays a-okay during the winter. First of all, make sure that the mixture of glycol in your chiller is the right percentage. If you don't have glycol running through your chiller, I definitely strongly suggest having a glycol mixture. Typically between 35 and 45% will ensure on the coldest times in winter your water does not freeze. Also, making sure that the ice, snow stay off the top of your fan blades. I don't want ice coming off your blade and going right through your coil. That is not a good thing. So make sure all the snow and stuff are cleaned off it. Also, make sure you have a clear pathway around the chiller in case that you need to get to any part of that chiller. You don't have to trudge through snow, ice, or anything. Ensure the tracing in your chiller's piping is working and has voltage. There's nothing that you want more than your glycol percentage to drop and you don't have the extra protection from the cold without your piping being insulated and heated. With air cooled, you want to ensure that you do have a low ambient kit put on your chiller. A low ambient kit is designed for low ambient conditions. What it does is it takes the fan, slows the fan down, that way your head pressure and all your pressure is maintained and you're not dipping down, also causing low evap pressure alarms, causing your chiller to actually not work during the winter. So I would definitely suggest making sure if you have an air-cooled chiller and you're going to run it below 40 degrees, make sure you have that low ambient kit. If you do not know what a low ambient kit is, or if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We can verify what you do have on your chiller and make sure your chiller's up and ready for the winter. On the water-cooled side, maintenance tips is making sure we're draining down your cooling tower, shutting down your cooling tower. Don't want any ice forming inside your cooling tower, so we'll completely drain that down. Make sure all that's set up for the springtime.